In this video, I will introduce the tables component of the dashboard. The first thing we'll do is open up course contents to Chapter 4 tables, opening up the tables code example. Now in this example, we have a new command called new UD table with the title server's information with headers of key value and an endpoint of this hash table, which I'll get into in just a second. And we'll also see an auto refresh, a refresh interval, and a background color of a hash color value. So we'll get started by running all the code, navigating to localhost 8080, and we'll see this table here. So first, we're going to examine the hash table. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what a hash table is, it's basically specifying a key, which is a label for a certain value. So on line 5 through line 10, we have the same hash table that's within the endpoint brackets of the new UD dashboard command. We have our computer name, which is the key, and equals to this environment variable of computer name. So it's pulling the computer name that is running this PowerShell session. And we have the operating system of a basically a WMI command that's going to get the operating system value. And then we have our total disk space and free disk space here for some example data. Now what's very special about this is the auto refresh and the refresh interval. The auto refresh switch here basically says we want this to auto refresh. And then this requires a refresh interval of seconds. So in this instance, this table is refreshing every 5 seconds. Now to show you that it's refreshing every 5 seconds, I need to change something. I can easily show you the change in free disk space by making a dummy file. So on line 36, 37, 38, I'm going to uncomment this code. Excuse me. And then I'm going to navigate to the ctemp directory, and I'm going to create a 50 gigabyte file. And then we're going to wait to see, okay, there it is. Now the dashboard, well, the new UD table component of our dashboard auto refreshed. And what that basically means is it's just running this code every 5 seconds and then outputting the values here. So if I delete that 50 gigabyte file, in about 5 seconds, we should see that pop back up 50 gigs. And we see that reflected here. Now, I hope your gears are turning a little bit on what this can be used for. And in a later example, we'll show you something that's a little more practical to the auto update feature.